Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your balance with Payza detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your balance with Payza, log into your Payza account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section on the main dashboard. In the wallet section, locate the option labeled transfer funds. Click on transfer funds to initiate the balance transfer process. You will now see options for transferring to another Payza account or withdrawing to your bank account. Select the appropriate option based on where you want to transfer your balance. If you choose to transfer to another Payza account, enter the recipient's email address. Make sure to double-check the email address to avoid any errors. Next, input the amount you wish to transfer. You may also have the option to add a message for the recipient, which is optional. After filling in all the required information, review the details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Continue button to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction, so follow any on-screen instructions. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your transfer. If you chose to withdraw to your bank account, fill in the required bank information if not already saved. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw to your bank account. Review the withdrawal details to ensure everything is accurate. After verification, click on the Withdraw button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email once the transfer or withdrawal is successfully initiated. Monitor your account for updates on the transfer status in the following hours or days. Once the transfer is completed, you can check the recipient's account to ensure they received the funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.